Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and on the third position from the left we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and here we've got actually 4 different options from which you can choose. So we can keep it turned off just like it is right now, or we can set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. Simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see, the icon which is right here simply changed. It will show you which timer option you've got set, and all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button. And I've missed. Okay, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, it will work the same with all other options, so for example 2 seconds delay, and the same situation. You can turn it off just by tapping on this option here, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.